All right, guys. So we are looking at claims, reasons, and evidence to support an author's ideas and opinions, okay? Especially in persuasive essays. So first up, we have claim, all right? So claim is the main argument of the persuasive essay. Basically, this is like what the author is like saying, okay? It's what they're trying to argue. This is anything that the author is presenting as like their idea, all right? So, for example, in a persuasive essay about dangers of chemicals in food production, the author's claim might be that the use of chemicals in food production is a harmful practice. And so then they might give you lots of opinions why we shouldn't have harmful chemicals in our food, but then they should also include some other things after they make their claim. So next up on their claim should be, or after their claim should be their reason, okay? So you can tell us that we shouldn't use harmful chemicals and things like that, but then you should like maybe give us some other reasons why. This would be really just why, just what it sounds like, okay? A reason why. And basically what your reasons will look like are kind of like logical things, like logical facts, maybe some research that they did. You might see some like percentages, like based on what they've researched and things like that. So look at this little chart. I thought it was a great way to show, eating healthy in a vegan style, without harmful chemicals or things like that. And, they kind of show, percentages of what they've found around the world, different topics. You can see that they've obviously looked at it in different ways and different topics, and it all is about that one claim of like being healthier, especially with the foods that you eat. And then finally, when you're really trying to think about, okay, do I really have facts and reasons from professionals in this essay? Look for, I guess, evidence. Okay, that's going to be your key word. Is you're looking for evidence to show that your author has done their research. They're not just giving you their personal opinions and things like that. Okay, so I like to look at it like this. I found evidence in the text to support my thinking. So whatever somebody's opinion was, even my own opinion, I'm going to look for research to support your thinking. So look for what a professional has said that maybe agrees with what your opinion is on the topic, okay? So that way we know that what you're telling us to believe is based on fact, okay? It's not just your crazy personal opinion, but you've actually seen that, this is not just your opinion. Other people agree. People that are professionals agree that this is the right thing to do as well. And basically, when you're reading something, you want to start to look for those things, okay? Like, yeah, in your paper, you want to make sure that you're including facts, but as a reader, you need to look for facts as well, okay? And that's going to be like, looking to see, did the author use sources? Do I see any in-text citations where they borrowed information from a professional? Did they use a works cited page to show me that they borrowed information from like books or websites that are really good information on this topic? And then think about what websites did they use? Did they use Wikipedia, or did they actually use like a website that is based on definite facts and is reliable? So just really quick, a quick summary is a persuasive essay is one in which the writer will try to convince the reader to agree with what the author is trying to say about an issue. The writer will present reasons, based on their claim that they're making. They'll kind of give you reasons about why you should think that. And then they'll definitely need to include facts, which we can call evidence, okay? Evidence of that they're using facts and it makes sense, okay? It's not just their opinion. People often use persuasive writing to promote their ideas, to get you to believe what they believe, think what they think, and you can find that usually in like websites where you have like articles about current events or about a product or even public issues, like in newspapers. Maybe a politician is saying something, they're trying to convince you to think something, or leaders in the community, okay? So people that will persuade you are just trying to get you to believe what they think, and they're going to give you claims, reasons, and even some facts called evidence.